Oh, you're probably a very lucky group, yeah, indeed. Exactly. Albatrosses, flamingos, and penguins.
Dolphins.
Initial reaction on seeing the penguins. Reaction on seeing the penguins. His reaction is always the same.
Fun fact, the Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species found north of the equator. When we were leaving Floriana, we came by these 4 penguins, and they were these little cute ones, this tall. This wasn't their usual spot. We were very lucky to find them. They were just there, sleeping while standing, with their heads bobbing. We were just about to leave, and then...
Great. Oh, they're fighting or doing something. Oh, they're mating. Penguin mating? What? Wow. No sin. No sin.
Why isn't that up?
We waded through waist-high water in this lagoon that was a beautiful aquamarine color. And we saw the swallow-tailed seagulls. A fun fact is these birds are nocturnal. They hunt at night, flying for hours at a stretch over the deep sea. This couple is quite in love. The male is lightly preening his girl to moisturize her feathers. We learn through birds that even nature has its way of showing love and affection.